Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a double U manometer. We want to find the water pressure in the pipe. The atmospheric pressure is 14.2 psia. Step 1, draw your free body diagram. This will help you visualize the problem. They give you the values and specific gravities of oil and mercury respectively. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So specific gravity of oil, which is 0.8, specific gravity of mercury, which is 13.6. Density of water we assume to be 62.4 pound mass per foot cube. And we want to find the pressure at the water pipe. Step 3, find the formula for the pressure for the water pipe. So here is the formula. Moving along. So using the convention, we're going to move along from the water pipe. So we are going to add it when we go down, and we're going to subtract it when we go up. So when it is going up, we will be subtracting, and then when we go down, we are adding. Alright, so we rearrange to make the water pipe pressure the subject. So it will come out to be this. Alright, step 5, find the water pressure. So from our equation that we just rearranged, now we just plug in the values. So I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. So the atmospheric pressure is 14.2 psia. We separated out the density of water and gravity. So that's 62.4 pound mass per foot cubed multiplied by 32.2 feet per second squared. Then we have our height, adding and subtracting based on going up or down. And this 21 is the inch divided by feet, so 12 feet. And then we've got 61 inches divided by feet, 26 inches divided by feet, and 31 inches divided by feet. Then we multiply by the conversion factor to cancel out the units to get psia. So these heights came from the free body diagram over here. So this is 21, 61, 31, and 26. These are the heights. Okay, so when we do this, we will get a pressure of 26.861 psia. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So click on the snipping tool icon. If it's not there, click on the Windows search, then type in snipping tool. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen, and then hit the start button in the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake, leave it in the comments section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.